I'm standing here in Beirut, Iowa, where the room raids have been going on for several weeks, and the devastation is rocking the countryside. I'm in fact here with one room raider for an interview. Mr. Room Raider, have a seat.
We raid rooms.
Now,
We steal what they got.
Mr. Room Raider, you look at me when you talk. In America, we make eye contact.
What?
How long have you been raiding rooms?
I've been raiding rooms since I was a little kid. You know? When they steal my stuff, I go back in there and I take it with action.
Would you care to demonstrate for us how to raid a room?
There's only one proper way to raid a room. Get your rifle, make sure it's loaded, run into the room and shoot everyone. Leave no hostages. No prisoners.
Take no hostages.
That's what I said.
Leave no hostages.
Yeah. Well, watch. I'll properly demonstrate to you how it is to raid a room. Now please come in here and watch this. Watch this as I raid this room over here. There's a pregnant woman sleeping, I know it. Who's ready to raid a room? Come on! Put me down on the floor! You don't tell me what you got! Get ready to get down what you got! Come on! Come on! Get me down! I don't fuck with you! I don't fuck with you! Look! See that? Kill him! I'll kill you too, cameraman! Don't fuck with me!
No! No! No!